guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 79, which is word search. Suppose you are given an m into n grid of characters board and a string word. Return true if word exists in the grid. The word can be constructed from letters of sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells are horizontally or vertically neighboring. The same letter may not be used more than once. So this is our board and the word is A B C C E D. So A B C C E D is formed in this board. As you can see, this is in yellowish color. So whenever this type of problem comes in the interview, you should first think of DFS approach, which is depth first search. So the idea is to basically start from you know so we have the number of rows, which is 3, number of columns, which is 4. So we will take one by one. So let's say first if we start from this point A, and this is matching with the word this one A. So we'll search in the neighboring cells, which are B and S. So B matches with that. So then we will search again in the neighboring cells, which are F and C. C also matches. Then we will search in neighboring cells E and C. In the similar fashion, when the I is equals to the length of the word, then we found out the word. Okay, so let's code it up. Let's first write out number of rows, length of code, number of columns. Okay, now let's have a visit set also. Let's write our DFS. BFS will take R and C, and the word also it takes, but let's have the index. Okay, and apart from that, yeah, I think that should be enough. So we'll check the boundary conditions if R is less than 0, or C is less than 0, or R is greater than equals to rows, or C is greater than equals to columns, or R comma C in visit. Then we will return false. Suppose if index is equals to length of word, we will return true. Okay. Now in the visit we will add this combination R comma C. Then basically we will store if the word is found or not. So is found is equals to, or let's have one more condition here, or port R and C is not equals to word index. Now is found, we will search in the neighboring cells. Okay. So index plus one, we do it for, so here comes R plus one, R minus one, C plus one, and C minus one. So this is it? And at the end, we will basically remove the R comma C. Is it dot remove? And we will return is found like this. Now let's iterate over the rows and columns. For C in range of columns. If DFS of this one, initially we will start with the zero always. If it is basically true, okay, we don't need to write true because it by default accept true or false. Okay, so if it is true, then we are going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false like this. So let's run the code and see. So all the test cases are passed, as you can see over here, right? So let's submit the code. Submission is successful. Our code is working fine, and the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n because we are iterating over the elements of the board. Okay, so the time complexity is order of n, and yeah, so that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.